Yo, what's good, my peoples? What's a guan? It's your man Black D, Blackout Customs. Take the seatbelt off. Another Saturday, another release day, and basically we're gonna do this quick mall vlog. I got some sneakers I need to take back to the Nike outlet. And yeah, man, I'll show you basically what's dropped. Today, I believe the Jimmy Butler 6s come out, the all blue 6s, Jimmy Butler style, which is weird because I'm from New York, but I actually live in PA. So we're gonna see how they do out here in PA now that he's on the Sixers. But I think they're more of a Minnesota color, which is weird. So I guess that sneaker was in the makes before he got traded. Let me know what you think about that. You know what I mean? So let's go. We about to get into the mall, see what's going on. And yeah, a couple things been going through my head. Wearing the heated jacket, DeWalt style. I do construction work, so this jacket actually comes with a battery and is heated. So in these cold days in the Northeast, we throw that jacket on. So I actually work in this jacket. I didn't feel like throwing on, like getting all jigged up today because I'm only going to return some sneakers. So I threw the DeWalt heated joint on. And yeah, man, let's get into this mall vlog, see what's going on. And I got a question for you. Do you guys think that Fine Line has been indicted on the RICO charge because of his boy Unbreakable Kicks? Because I've been seeing a lot of videos now and a lot of people saying they don't know about Fine Line now. So let me know what y'all think. I just wanted to drop that in there real quick because it's just been weird on, Shoe 2. So, yeah, man, let's get into this mall, see what's going on. Quick mall vlog with your man Black D, Blackout Customs. All right. Here we go. About to go. As you see, it says what? Mall entry, right? Give y'all a quick on feet. I like to give y'all a quick on feet in the rugged conditions. Rugged conditions. You rock these shoes out in the streets. You know what I'm saying? Blackout Customs, man. Let's get in this mall, man. All right, we in the mall, man. About to return these sneakers to the Nike outlet. Quick info for y'all, man. Like, if y'all got a pair of shoes and they brand new and they're from Nike, and you don't have a receipt from the other stores, you can take them back to the factory store, and I guess they'll give you the sale price or whatever it's selling for. But yeah, man, I gotta take these back. It was a splurge buy, and I actually bought these shoes online, and then when I got them, I was like, why did I buy them? I won't wear them with anything. So there it is. The Nike store is right there. About to go in. They're funny with me taping in there, so I'll see. Let's go. See what they got around here in the Nike store. Men's stuff. Couple of Vapor Max. What y'all think? Man, they got this music mad loud, man, so I gotta keep talking so I don't get copyrighted. Got some deconstructs here. Twos. What else? The basic mall stuff. Show y'all what's on the wall right there real quick. Yeah, so let's see what else they got. Nothing really. I think I caught those 95s on a sneak tip. So I'm gonna grab those real quick. Let's go down the aisle and see what else they got. Nope. got the KDs, multicolors, full size one. If you need them, let me know. Anything else? Nah, man. And as you can see, 30% off the entire purchase in the whole store. I guess for the holidays. They are stacked deep with these Russell Westbrooks, man, in every aisle. It's like no matter where you go, you can't miss that shoe. Every sneaker store just stocked with those when they're going on sale. Kobe's, nah. Yeah, man, let's go up here. Let's get out of here, man. Focus, camera, focus. Let's swap this shit around. Nah, I ain't gonna swap it around. I'm about to pull up and kicks real quick. Shooting this video with the iPhone X. Pull up on kicks as we usually do. I was about to shoot the video in Foot Locker over there, but the music's just too loud in Foot Locker, man. I gotta be yelling while I'm talking to you guys, man. So we're gonna see if they got them Jimmy Butlers and kicks and do our quick mall vlog. Let's do this. Yeah, so we up in here. I just bought a pair of 95s. I'll show y'all the ones I got when I get home. The usual. Still waiting for these to go on sale. I guess the silver ones sold out. Yeah, man. I'm also waiting for these to go on sale. Yeah, man. Let's go down to the Jordan wall. Don't want to drop no shoes. See what's up. %30 off for some sneakers in here. So, yo, man, go to your local Kicks, man. Kicks USA. Yeah, they don't sponsor me or nothing, but I'm just saying that because I'm in here. They actually got these on sale. The habaneros. Let me know what y'all think. About to go to the Jordan wall, see if they got the Jimmy Butlers. The same old, but they got them on sale. So Cody, you know what I mean? See what's up on the Jordan wall. I see some wild mess right here on the Jordan wall. They got the 10s, the Orlandos, which everybody's waiting to go for them to go on sale. Just like how these went on sale. These are actually 30% off of $159. Oh, or they're $159? I'm not sure. I will have to ask. Is it $159? Or is it 30% off of $159? Or is it $159 with the sale tag on it? Alright. Well, yo, anyway. What? They got pine greens. Core purples. What the? For real? Pine green mids. So if you didn't get the highs, which I got the highs. So if you don't got the highs, they put the mids out. Oh. The core purples. Core purple sitting. What are we doing? We got the mids out. Let me know what y'all think. Yeah, they don't got the Jimmy Butlers up in here, so I'm gonna have to go to Foot Locker and actually review that sneaker in Foot Locker with that loud ass music. Nothing. Adidas not doing anything. Let's look at that Puma shoe. What y'all think, man? I think that shoe just should have came out in the summer. My bad. I just like showing that Patrick going. But yeah, man, Kicks didn't actually have those Jimmy Butler 6s. So I gotta go to Foot Locker and do a quick review with that loud ass music. Foot Locker, why you got the music so loud? Y'all can turn that mess down a little bit. You know what I mean? So they got me the Jimmy Butler 6s, Jimmy Buckets. What do you guys think, man? I like it, man. I like the shoe. I like the shoe. I didn't hear anybody saying they're going crazy over it, but I like it. It's weird now though, because he plays for the Sixers, and it has the Minnesota colors. But yeah, man, let me know what y'all think, man. Get at me, man. Jimmy Butler 6s, release that. Yeah, man, I'm about to head home. I'll finish up the rest of this video in the lab. It's just hard to shoot a mall vlog in the mall right now because it's holiday season and it's just so many people in the mall. So yeah, let me know what you think about the Jimmy Butlers. And yeah, we'll finish it off. We'll just finish it all off in the crib. All right, when I get to the lab, we'll just finish everything off. Peace. Okay, we back in the lab. It's your man Black D, Blackout Customs. It's rough out there. It's hard to shoot a mall vlog in holiday season because everybody's in the mall. So, as y'all seen, the Jimmy Butlers, very cool shoe. I give it a 4 out of a 5. I do like the shoe though. I do like the shoe. It's just weird seeing it because I know he plays for the Sixers now, and he's going to be wearing like a powder blue shoe that actually matches the Minnesota uniform. But like I said, it probably was in the works before he even got traded. But we also did a mall vlog, showed you what was in there other than that Jimmy Butler 6, the Jordan 6. Nothing really, same old shoes. Couple of sales here and there, so go to your mall, check your stores. A lot of stuff is getting marked down on sale right now. A lot of those Jordans that were sitting before, they are marking them down on sale. As for that, I went to the Nike outlet today. It wasn't nothing too major in there, but I did creep up on a shoe, and it was like the only one. I think it was like 2 pairs in there, and I was returning the shoe and I saw these. And y'all know the that orange bag. I was trying to get the lid, but it's just a basic black Nike lid. The Air Max 95 ERDL part. I don't know. Tell me, man, what y'all think? Camo in all colors. I'll give it a more put some more detailed pics of the shoe up on the way out. But that's what I caught today. Tomorrow I'll put up another video the Sunday cleanup. And thanks, man, for watching Blackout Customs. Your man Black D.